Hello students, how are you? In previous lecture, we have studied nucleophilic addition reaction of aldehyde and ketone with sodium bisulfite के साथ पढ़ा, HCN के साथ पढ़ा. Now today we will study with a Grignard reagent. Aldehyde as well as ketone both are carbonyl compound, and carbonyl compound having a carbon double bond with a oxygen. One sigma and second is pi. Now this carbonyl compound, it may be aldehyde or ketone, can undergo nucleophilic addition reaction with a Grignard reagent. So as a Grignard reagent, I have taken a alkyl magnesium halide. Now whatever alkyl magnesium halide we have, ये Grignard reagent है, then magnesium having a positive charge, alkyl group having a partially negative charge. So this alkyl group or aryl group present in Grignard reagent will act as a strong nucleophile. तो ये कार्बोनिल कार्बन पर अटैक करेगा, then this pi bond will break, electron will transfer on oxygen. तो प्रोडक्ट हमें इस तरह से मिलेगी, this carbonyl carbon joined with this alkyl group and with this oxygen magnesium halide will attach. Now whatever product obtained, it is an intermediate product. So we get this different type of intermediate product. अब इस intermediate product का हम hydrolysis करते हैं in presence of water and medium is acidic. Then water having two type of ion, one is H plus and second is OH minus. Magnesium having a positive charge, oxygen having a negative charge. तो चलो बताइए H and OH कहाँ पर approach करेंगे? Then oxygen joined with hydrogen and hydroxyl group joined with a magnesium. तो हमें ये प्रोडक्ट मिलेगी RCOH and कार्बन की दो वैलेंसियां फ्री है. So as a result we will get a alcohol. यानी कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड की ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट के साथ न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शन से पहले हमें इंटरमीडिएट प्रोडक्ट मिलेगी और हाइड्रोलिसिस पर we will get a alcohol. Now depending upon type of aldehyde or ketone, we will get primary, secondary as well as tertiary alcohol. Suppose we have taken this aldehyde and aldehyde is formaldehyde. So now formaldehyde nucleophilic addition reaction लेते हैं with this alkyl magnesium halide. Then same way reaction occur, no any change. This will be a strong nucleophile, it will attack on carbonyl carbon. Pi bond will break, electron transfer on oxygen, oxygen give electron pair to Mg. Then we get this type of structure HCH, here OMGR, OMGX. इस H को मैं यहाँ पर लिख लेता हूँ, then we are writing R8 here. So alkyl group add हुआ कार्बन पर, MgX add हुआ ऑक्सीजन पर, कार्बन ऑक्सीजन डबल बॉन्ड broken, pi bond break. Now whatever product obtained, we are doing hydrolysis, and as a hydrolysis of this structure, this oxygen Mg bond break, OH will be added on magnesium and hydrogen will be added on oxygen. So as a result we get this type of structure RCH2OH. From water, hydrogen is added to oxygen, it gives OH, OH joined with Mg, so as a result we get this MgOHX. So now conclusion of this formaldehyde, if we have as an aldehyde we have taken a formaldehyde, then formaldehyde with any Grignard reagent always give us this alcohol, and name of this alcohol is primary alcohol. Now you can write different type of products. Suppose this formaldehyde reaction occur with this Grignard reagent. चलो एक और reaction study करते हैं, example study करते हैं. Formaldehyde HC double bond OH. Now this formaldehyde reaction occur with this Grignard reagent C6H5 MgBr. So it's known as a phenyl magnesium bromide. This we have used as a Grignard reagent. The reaction occur in same manner, no any change. This phenyl ring will attack on carbonyl carbon, pi bond break, electron transfer on oxygen, oxygen give electron pair to Mg, and as a result we get this type of structure. H, here is carbon, hydrogen I have written it here, now here C6H5, and here OMG Br. Now for the hydrolysis of this structure. When we do hydrolysis in the presence of water molecule, same as bond break, H added on oxygen, OH added on a Mg. तो प्रोडक्ट हमें मिलेगी उसको इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं. I can write in this way C6H5 carbon with 2 hydrogen and OH group. Oxygen will get hydrogen, so OH group and Mg. Water में से Mg will attach with a OH. So we can write in this way MgOH So name of this product we can give phenyl methanol. The structure is nothing but phenyl methanol. Whatever phenyl methanol obtain, it's a primary alcohol. So formaldehyde cannot react with any type of compound. It's always give us primary alcohol. Suppose मुझे बनाना है इथेनॉल फॉर्मल्डिहाइड में से, तो किस तरह से बनेगा? Let's start to do. फॉर्मल्डिहाइड है, उसमें से मुझे बनाना है इथेनॉल. तो इथेनॉल के स्ट्रक्चर में कार्बन कितने हैं? 2. So we have to take a methyl magnesium bromide as a Grignard reagent. चलो methyl magnesium bromide Grignard reagent लिया. This will be a formaldehyde. Reaction occur in same manner. Methyl group will act as a strong nucleophile. It will attack on carbon, pi bond break, electron transfer on oxygen. Oxygen give electron pair to Mg. तो हमें ये intermediate product मिलेगा CH3 attached with a carbon. Carbon having a 2 hydrogen and here OMgBr. चलो MgBr attached with oxygen, methyl group attached with this CH2. जो भी प्रोडक्ट मिली उसका हाइड्रोलिसिस करते हैं. Then hydrolysis, water molecule H will be added on oxygen and OH will be added on Mg. So we get this type of structure CH3 CH2 OH and Mg OH Br. तो ये हमें प्रोडक्ट मिल गई. Formaldehyde converted into ethanol. यदि हमें इथेनॉल बनाना है then oxidation करते हैं pyridinium chlorochromate से, then it will converted into ethanol. ये हमें मिला, उसको हम बोलते हैं इथेनॉल. तो any type of formaldehyde reaction occur with any Grignard reagent, always we get primary alcohol. चलो इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें, फिर बाद में हम एसिटाल्डिहाइड और एनी एल्डिहाइड और कीटोन की रिएक्शंस, अब अदर देन फॉर्माल्डिहाइड रिएक्शन होगी तो क्या मिलेगा वो स्टडी करेंगे. नाउ अदर देन फॉर्माल्डिहाइड, यदि कोई एल्डिहाइड लेते हैं और उसके ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट से रिएक्शन करते हैं, देन वी ऑलवेज गेट सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल एज ए प्रोडक्ट. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. ये हमने एल्डिहाइड लिया. Now I am taking any Grignard reagent. Suppose I have taken R-MgX. कोई भी Grignard reagent होगा. Reaction occur in same manner. This R- will act as a strong nucleophile. It will attack on carbonyl carbon. Pi bond will break. Electron transfer on oxygen. और ऑक्सीजन इलेक्ट्रॉन देगा Mg को, तो हमें इंटरमीडिएट प्रोडक्ट मिलेगी. We can write in this way RCH. Now here R dash is added and here OMgX. Now whatever structure obtained, it is nothing but intermediate product. Now whatever intermediate product obtained to us, we have to do hydrolysis. Now hydrolysis in presence of acid give us alcohol. So water molecule में two type of ion, H and OH. H will join with a oxygen and Mg will join with a OH. because magnesium is always partial positive charge, oxygen electronegativity high, so it has a negative charge. So we can write in this way RCH, here R dash, and here I will get OH, and with this I will get MgOH X as a byproduct. Now whatever alcohol obtained, it is nothing but secondary alcohol. It means reaction of aldehyde other than formaldehyde with Grignard reagent, always we get a secondary alcohol. तो चलो एक example study करते हैं. Suppose I have taken as aldehyde, I have taken ethanol. Now this structure of ethanol CH3 CHO is allowed to react with a methyl magnesium bromide. This methyl magnesium bromide is taken as a Grignard reagent. So reaction occur in this way. Magnesium partial positive charge, methyl partial negative charge. In carbonyl carbon, positive charge, oxygen आएंगे partially negative charge. Methyl will attack on carbon and oxygen will attack on magnesium part. So we get this type of structure CH3CH. Here OMgBr and methyl group will be added on carbon. Whatever structure obtained is known as an intermediate product. Now hydrolysis of this intermediate product in presence of acid, we will get alcohol. During this hydrolysis, just I have informed that in water molecule H plus and OH minus, oxygen joined with H and hydroxyl group joined with a Mg. So हमें ये product मिलेगी CH3 CH OH CH3, and this will be a propane 2-ol. So propane 2-ol, whatever obtained, it's a secondary alcohol. So Grignard reagent, any when react with a aldehyde other than formaldehyde, give us always secondary alcohol. And if we have taken ketone, then always we get a tertiary alcohol. Suppose I have taken RC double bond OR. So this is the structure of any ketone. Is allowed to react with a Grignard reagent RMgX. We know that reaction occur in this way. This R dash will act as a strong nucleophile. It will attack on positively charged carbonyl carbon. Bond will break. Electron transfer on oxygen. Oxygen give electron pair to Mg. We know that Mg has a partial positive charge and it has a partial negative charge. So we get this type of product RCr. R dash is added on this carbon and oxygen joined with MgX. Now hydrolysis of this product done in presence of acid. Same way, no any change. So here hydrolysis occur, H will be added on oxygen and OH will be added on Mg. So as a result, we get this type of structure RC, R dash, here OH. So byproduct will be MgOH-X. So we can say on reaction of ketone with Grignard reagent give us tertiary alcohol. तो चलो मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूं, आपको बताना है प्रोडक्ट कौन सी मिलेगी. Now as a alcohol, sorry, as a ketone, I have taken butane 2-on. This butane 2-on is allowed to react with methyl magnesium bromide. Now what is the product? You have to predict and you have to write. Do by yourself. Pause your mobile. Butane 2-on. Carbonyl carbon positive charge, oxygen negative charge. This methyl will be added on carbon. तो चलो आप लिख सकते हो intermediate product will be CH3C, here CH3 and here CH2, CH3, here OMgBr. Methyl group added on carbon, MgBr attached with oxygen. इसका hydrolysis करेंगे, then same manner H and OH. H will be added on oxygen, OH will be added on Mg. So now structure we can write in this way: CH3, CH3, here OH, and here CH2, CH3. What is the name of this alcohol? It's a 2-methyl butane 2-ol. We can write name of this structure 2-methyl butane 2-ol, and this is nothing but tertiary alcohol. Byproduct will be common MgOH, Br. So we can say that, or we have concluded, formaldehyde की Grignard reagent से reaction होती है, hydrolysis product will be always primary alcohol. Other than formaldehyde, any aldehyde reacting with Grignard reagent, always we get a secondary alcohol. And if we have taken ketone and reaction occur with Grignard reagent, then always we get a tertiary alcohol. My dear students, we are doing for yourself, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. दूसरे students को भी inform कीजिए. They will also get benefit. They can do preparation of GNEET at their home, at their time, at their place. All the best. See you in next lecture.